Pakilala mo na kami.
With us, si Cha and Isa from the Binibini Pilipinas Ultimate Binibinis Ultimate Frisbee Team. Magandang hapon. Welcome to Sports Call.
Hi, magandang hapon.
Congratulations on receiving this award. Kamusta ang pakiramdam ninyo na makatanggap ninyo ang award on behalf of the Binibinis?
Actually, nakaka-nervous pero sobrang nakaka-proud. Like, after lahat ng trainings and all, sobrang di namin expect na nasa major awardee kami.
We would like to also thank the PSC, the whole committee for awarding us this major award.
Ano mga paghahandaan niyong competition for 2025 para sa team?
Actually, yung kids namin are actually preparing for U24 na magko-compete sa...
Sa Spain, also in next naman is Japan, and also another in Portugal.
And of course, your assessment sa nagdang 2024 ng Binibinis.
Assessment, I guess we did a good job.
Actually,
Very good job
ano lang,
winning gold.
teamwork tsaka hard work lang as a
Yup.
team. So, I think yun yung nagpapanalo talaga sa amin.
Okay, what defines you as a sportswoman? Cha.
Defines me? Ako, I think I always represent myself and my country. So, yan lang. As one lang, as one.
Alright, Isa.
Ako rin, whenever nag-represent ako ng country, always ko piniput yung best foot forward ko, and I make sure na I do it for the country.
Alright, so pasalamatan na sila.
So, thank you so much for this award, and thank you for inviting me.
Thank you for, sa lahat na nagsuporta sa Binibini, simula day 1 until now. Maraming salamat. At sa lahat ng teammates namin.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much. God bless. May power.